In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can awaken the magma here in Blox Foods. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's one prerequisite. You do need to be in the second sea at least, so make sure that you are at least level 700. And to fully awaken this, you are going to need about 14,500 fragments, and to essentially just start and do the magma raid. So go ahead and go to the hot and cold island into the lab on the cold side and use the code red, blue, green, blue, and then just go through the secret door and talk to the mysterious scientist. If you're level 1,100, you can buy a raid chip for about 100,000 belly. If not, have a higher level player host it so that you can get those raid chips and complete the raid, specifically the magma raid, by clearing all 5 islands. After beating the boss, you'll be teleported to a room where you can talk to the entity and spend your fragments to awaken specific moves, and that really is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.